guys, my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey guys, so I've already got my nail on. I have used the long ballerina full cover tip and I have applied that with the titanium clear gel. I'm coming in now with my second coat of Dove from the Prophecy range. Second coat of the Dove. I'm going to ban you from using your phone every time we film, Sam, because this is the second time. Put that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. I'm confiscating it.
It's only you shouting at the doorbell.
You did this to me last time, messing around on your phone while I'm trying to film.
And then we have this conversation. And it went on to that one.
Well, you're not home, so it doesn't matter if someone's at your door, does it? Right, so 2 coats of Dove. Done. What am I doing? I've completely lost track now. Okay. That's what I'm doing. Right. Okay, so I'm using Awakening from Spring Beginnings. This is relatively known as absolutely gorgeous purple.
Gorgeous purple.
Right, pop that out for me, please, Sam. So I'm going to use my 8mm liner. I'm really cheeky and pop some of this on the back of my thumb. I need to find my thumb palette. It's got lost. So, Zebra Print has no rules. He has some rules. Some kind of guideline to follow. I am going to fill this in, but don't worry about making sure that it's 100% coloured in, because we're going to be doing something on top of that. So, Zebra Print is usually like chunks like this that kind of go against one another. So that's going to be our main one, and then just above and below it, I'm just going to do some slightly smaller ones. Again, fill those in, and then one below it as well.
Love a bit of animal print.
Fill that in. So again, I still want this one to be my main focus here, but I feel like I've got a little bit too much white exposed there, so I'm going to thicken it up and make more of a statement with it. There we go. That's better. Okay, so when you're happy with that, that can go into the lamp. Full cure, please, Sam. Wipe that off the back of my thumb. So I am going to matte this, but I am curious as to how this is going to look. Definitely when you use shimmer polishes, it always gives a, I want to say weird, but it's not weird. Just it's a different finish, isn't it? Like whenever you use shimmer pigment. I'll tell you which I do love. Is it called Lupin? I think it's called Lupin. There's a blue, and it's almost metallic. It's absolutely stunning. That with a matte finish is unreal. I love it. So we'll see what this looks like when it comes out of the lamp. So make sure we are going for a complete velvet matte finish, so make sure the entire nail is top coated, otherwise it'll be really obvious when it comes out the lamp. You'll have some shiny bits and some I can't think today. Some shiny and some not so shiny. Okay, bang that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. Right, so on top of this, I'm going to be using, I'm going to use one of these. These are the metallic foils. I'm going to use one of them. I don't know which one. Do I contrast? Do I complement?
That green's looking lovely.
No, God no. God no.
For a complete clash.
No, we want a contrast, not a clash. I was going to go for... Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. It's gone quite pearly.
Yeah.
I like that. I think maybe... I might go for the baby purple, because I'm going to be drawing some black on it as well, so that's going to be quite... Although that I could do... Ooh, no, I like that one. Like the smoky silver. Yeah, let's do the smoky silver.
You're going to do a black.
Yeah, it's like kind of makes it almost gothic, which we love. I really like this one. Have I ever actually used it? I don't think...
It's brand new out the box.
I've never used it. I know.
This one before.
I've used most of them. So I have got the foil gel. And I'm going to continue using my 8mm liner. Just a little bit.
It is one of your favourite brushes in the whole world, isn't it?
Oh,
that
yes,
one?
let's move this up. Right, so I want the centre of this. So it's kind of, I think the end goal here is like, is it zebra print? Is it gemstone effect? I don't know. So we're kind of going for a mash-up between the two. So follow the contours and follow the curves, but I'm leaving a nice gap. I think you can see that. And don't forget to do the other two sections as well. So these will obviously be thinner. And this one here. Okay, precisely 30 seconds. No more, no less. So make sure your lamp is set to 30 seconds. It is set to 30 seconds. Sorry. 30
can't
seconds.
See the top.
It's okay. We're all set. Yeah, I think this is definitely the right one to go
Oh,
for.
definitely.
So nice. I know what I'm having on my nails next time.
Some of that.
Oh, gotcha.
Mm.
Yeah. I love foiling as well. It feels like such a cheat. I feel like I'm winning at life whenever I foil a nail, and it's just like instant mega nail art. There's something really satisfying
again, isn't it? It goes in and
I
out.
definitely find it has its... Yes. I mean, it's always popular Christmas time. Always popular. Yes, I love it.
Oh, look at that.
Yes. And the good thing about when you're doing little bits like this, if there are small sections that don't take, because this is a
block colour.
Yeah, because there's no pattern to it, you can literally just tap, 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 tap until it's completely covered.
Oh, look at the way that changes colour in the light as well. You probably can't see that on camera.
That is really nice. Right, I'm just going to move that out of the way for now. I'll wrestle putting that away afterwards. Right, so I want to keep the rest of the nail matte, but I do need to top coat the foils. So, where's my top coat?
It would be in your...
Have I used normal top coat yet?
No, you've done...
Yes, I have.
Oh, yeah, you did on that one.
Yeah, of course I did. On the last nail I've just done. Right, so, small amount of top coat on my brush, and very carefully just going to top coat the foil. Try not to let it go over. And then give that a flash cure for me, please, Sam, and I'll do the other two. Okay, that can come out. Again, just top coat that section. And that section. Okay, full cure for me, please, Sam. Right, we'll give that a full cure. And then I'm going to use... Once I find it.
Artisan.
Yeah, the black tack-free painting and stamping gel. So because this is tack-free, we can paint it on top. And it grips really, really well to that velvet finish.
Do you need to top coat that?
No,
you've done it?
You can. Some people do prefer to, but especially if I'm, well, obviously if I'm working on a matte nail.
We don't want to,
I guess it depends if you want the black, matte or shiny. If you want it shiny, leave as is. If you want it matte, then I guess you would do that before the foil, wouldn't you? There are lots of different ways you could layer this up, I guess.
I don't care. I'm just getting an animal print on my nail.
Right, so I'm not going to completely outline it. I'm just going to pick sections and just run until my brush runs out I think I might need to pop in a new order for one of these brushes. Take that till it runs out. Yeah, I use these brushes a lot, so they get battered. There's no other way of saying it, they get battered. Okay, and then I'm just going to wipe off any excess on this brush and just very lightly, super thin lines, very lightly just start coming in, and I'm going to utilise the split in my brush and get some double lines going on. If at any point you think I'm going to ruin this any minute, just get it in for a flash cure. Right, yeah, pop that in for a flash cure, because I'm going to mess this up. I said that the nice way then as well.
No swearing.
No swearing, I'm such a big girl.
Doing well.
Right, so I'm going to add some, yeah, that can come out. I'm going to add some detail to, more specifically, this big section here. Again, I'm not going to completely outline it, but I'm just going to encase it ever so slightly. And it's not going to be incredibly noticeable because it is a smoky grey and I'm working black, so you might not be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to add some kind of
detailing.
Yeah, random lines. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can get this to focus. You can kind of see it there. It's so indistinctive that you actually really haven't got to put any thought into it. It's my kind of nail art, the one that requires minimal thought. Oh, I know there are people out there that are going to completely agree with me on that. Right, what do you think?
We're at that time of the year as well, isn't it, where it's inspiration sort of, we're in between.
There's nothing coming up.
Easter and summer. Mother's Day's gone, Valentine's has gone. We're in between.
We're in the cheap part of the year where it's not going to cost me any money.
You've only got a couple of weeks left though, and then you're going to start getting them holiday nails that everyone's going to want.
Yeah, well, most people have started going away now anyway, aren't they? Lucky baggers. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that as is. So, if you did want to top coat this nail, you could gloss top coat the whole thing now. If you did want to lock in your Artisan paint, you could very carefully, with your matte top coat. Oh, to be fair, bang that out, let me show you. If you wanted to seal all of that in, matte top coat the whole thing, and then go over these again with your gloss top coat. Shall we just do it? Shall we just show? Because then that's going to make them matte. The black matte. I need a bloody
holiday.
Yeah, I think that's what I need. Only 3 months till I go. It'll soon be it. Right, matte top coat the whole thing. Bang that in the lamp, please, Sam. After I've wiped that off, yeah. So that's now going to make the black matte.
So then you want the
shiny top coat.
That's build.
Where's my
non-white top coat there?
It's right in front of me. So 8mm liner, no white top coat. Once it comes out of the lamp, we'll again just highlight those foiled areas. And in fact, you might come out and I might change my mind because it might actually look really nice. Who knows? Right, bang it out. Let's have a look. Oh, you can actually really see, you can see that detail. That foil is nice with a matte top coat. Do you think?
But look at that coming out now with with the top coat on the top. That's really brought that detailing out.
Yeah, I love a bit of contrast. Oh, I really like that. I don't like matte nails though, so I couldn't have that. couldn't wear that on myself.
Saying that mat that we used that got
the satin
one.
Yeah.
I would happily have a full set of mat with the satin, but the velvet, personally, it's a texture thing for me.
Yeah. It's a bit of a dirt trap, isn't it? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, love it. But yeah, collects does. I got that splinter in my hand. Right, so when this comes out the lamp, I'm going to use the banana elixir.
Tiny drop.
No, I didn't even squeeze it. It literally just oozed out.
Squeeze it out.
Oh yeah, why don't I waste
and then
so much of this.
Just tap it.
Tiny little bit, because this is a matte nail and we don't want to make it all shiny with the cuticle. But rub that round and ta-da! Is it zebra? Is it gemstones? Who knows?
There's part of me that thinks it looks like a peacock feather.
Oh, I guess, yeah, if I'd use like some blues in there, yeah. So make of it what you will, guys, but here it is. Hope you've enjoyed.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.